welcome to another episode of Nathi's Vegan Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a vegan cauliflower corn chowder. This chowder is super creamy. It's lighter than most chowders, which are full of fats, lots of butter, but this one's a vegan, healthier version. So this chowder, I would really recommend you eat it with a nice grilled cheese. It's really creamy, it's really thick, so honestly, if you don't want the grilled cheese or you just don't want to do any more work, you can eat it on its own. Alright, so let's get to what you're really here for. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you loved this chowder recipe. If you're interested on staying updated on any future recipes, just be sure to click on the red subscribe button down below and make sure to hit that bell. I'd also love to hear from you guys. If you want to leave me a comment down below, maybe there's a different chowder recipe you'd like me to explore, maybe some soups. It's kind of getting colder, so I don't know about you, but I love soup. So if there's anything you want me to try, just let me know. Adios!